Hi everyone and welcome to another live trading series. Today is Wednesday, May 12th. I just put on a sweater, a hoodie, just so that it looks separate from my previous video. I just recorded both of them at the same time, but they're different topics. I'm going to be updating you on my poor man's covered call. So far, I've done Apple, Nvidia, and Corsair. In this video, I'm going to be giving you an update on those three. Plus, I'm going to open a new one on Tesla. When Tesla hit hard times, I think it went from 700 to 600. So your leap that you would buy is like a $10,000 discount. So I'm going to do one right now. Every time Tesla dropped, I kept saying I'm going to buy shares. Instead of buying shares, I'm just going to buy a 2-year or maybe like 15, 16-month leap. Regardless, if we go to my spreadsheet, I just want to show you my update. I bought Corsair. This expires, the leap expires December 2021. So I only did a 12-month leap. I've been selling puts on it. My break even is $37.54, but Corsair is at like $30 right now. So what I'm gonna do, be selling calls at the strike. You see my strikes here, pretty much to break even now. I'm in like crisis mode. I just need to break even because it keeps tanking. Corsair was close to 50 before, and now it's at 30. So, you know, if I do get assigned, I might be running a loss, but my break even is 37. If I keep selling, I'm going to hopefully bring this down. If Corsair hovers near 30 and I could bring this down to 30, I'd be pretty happy, just pretty much breaking even. What can you do? Nvidia doing a lot better. So I bought the 300 strike leap, January 2023. I bought a 2-year leap. You know, to be honest, so this was $27,000. My break even initially was like 570, and I've been slowly bringing that down. Right now it's around 550. So if I sell like a 550 right now and get assigned, I'd be above my break even. I'd be pretty happy. The returns have been pretty good. Apple, I bought the 75 strike January 2023 leap for $6,000. I bought I bought one. And Apple hasn't been doing too well. So when I bought this leap, Apple's around 140, and I've been selling the 150 strike leaps, 150 strike call. Sorry guys, I keep messing up. As you can see, like I haven't been making too much, like 150 a month, 158 a month, 78 a month here, compared to, like, I know Nvidia, it's worth 4 times as much, but the return seems a lot higher. My break even for Apple is around 129, so I'm probably going to be selling the 130 strike for 30 days out. As you can see, there's no point in holding out for too long. Like if the stock goes too low, not selling a monthly call. Just sell a monthly call. Even if you're only making $7, $8, it does bring my break even down a little bit, but I'm selling monthly, hopefully for 2 years. I do want Apple to hover, at least, you know, go up. I'd be pretty happy. My goal right now, buy Tesla, the 300 strike. I want to pay $34,000 for it. My break even is, you know, 34,000 plus 30,000, so it'd be around obviously the $640 mark. I might sell weekly on Tesla instead of monthly. I know I have June 18th queued up here, but I do want to sell weekly on this. I think I can make more selling weekly. Regardless, just because Tesla goes up so much, I don't want to sell monthly and then it blow past my strike. Okay, big preamble. Let me start doing it. So I'm going to sell the 35 strike on Corsair. If you look at Corsair here, I have 5. I'm down $6,800. I'm just going to roll these ones out. So again, add a call, buy 5, sell 5. So you have to buy back the exact one you sold. What did I sell? I sold the 40 strike call, and I'm going to sell the June 35 strike call. What am I making? If I can make $500 here, I'd be pretty happy. Then let's go Nvidia. So let's go strategy. So obviously Questrade calls these diagonal calls. Poor man's covered call isn't the real name for them. They are diagonal calls. This is fantastic. So I sold the call for 1,800. Buy back for 700 now, and I will roll this out another 30 days. So add a call 575 June 18th. So let's go 575 again, I guess. What would I be making? Take a look at this. This is fantastic. I'd be making $1,500 just rolling this out 30 days. I like it. Let's go Apple. Apple, not as good. Made $76 here. Custom. I wish there was a roll button. Maybe there is a roll button. I just don't know about it. Add a call, add a call. Hopefully you guys can't hear the cleaners outside. So buy back the 145 strike. Sell June 18th. Let's go 130 and make $170 something on it. 130. What's 135 looking like? Okay, so I'll make $85 on it. I do want to go 135. That's fine. It's not a lot, but what can you do? Okay, now let's buy. I'm gonna buy Leap. So for Leaps, ideally you want to go, well, I like to go, let's say at least like 2 years out, January 2023. I do like that. You want to go around the 90 delta. So if you go 90 delta, what this means is that your Leap for 2 years will mimic 90 shares of Tesla. Obviously, you want this to mimic as close to 100, but when you go to 100, you're not getting any discount. The good thing about the poor man's covered call is that it's cash efficient. So I'll only be paying around half as much. So I'll be paying $35,000 to mimic 90 shares, but 90 shares is, let's see, let me quickly do the math. 593 times the 90 shares. Okay, forget that. That didn't work out. But Tesla's still going down, dang. So if I buy the 300, the 300 strike is the 88 delta. It's close enough for me. I was looking to pay max 34,000 for it, but you know, the price is going down. So I think I'm going to go, let's buy this, buy one 300 strike, January 2023. Let's try to, so I do want this to get filled. Oh man, look at the prices, just keep jumping. Man, buy one. I want to try to get a good price. 330. Would that get filled? So $33,000. Let's do this. Buy one, call. All right, I hope that gets filled. I want to start selling calls right away. So while that gets filled, I will show you what I'm gonna do. So I will sell a call for next week. Let's say 650. So this is the 23. Some people like to go 25 delta when selling poor man's covered call, but I just don't like 645. I'll just like round it up for me. I'll go 650. We'll make $770 here. So let's plan this out. So I sold this for 33,000 and I'll make 770 here. And my strike would be 650. My break even would be 622 based on this. And if I do get assigned at the 650, if I do close this out, I would have made 8% in just a week. What am I gonna do? This is May 21, I believe. 2021. Okay, we did end up getting filled. I probably just cut a bunch of parts out because I've been waiting for a while. So I kept moving it up. I kept playing around with it. I did get filled at 335. So if I update this, okay. So if I do get assigned, everything will go down. But I am going to start selling the weekly Tesla. Let's go next week. Let me sell the 650. This would be around $770. Boom. And there it is. I finally set up my poor man's covered call. Diagonal call. So I bought the 300 strike, selling 650. Hopefully I can make $700 a week. If it does shoot up to 650 by next Friday, I might just roll it. There's not much time, so I can constantly sell further in time, maybe up to 660, maybe even to 700 if it keeps going up. I don't want to sell 30 days for Tesla because it can have days where it shoots up $60 and then, I'd get assigned right away. But I do want to take advantage. I want to slowly follow Tesla up if it goes back up to 700 or 800. But yeah, that is it for now. My poor man's covered call update. A lot of people have been asking, my strategy on it. So you've seen me set up Nvidia, you've seen me set up Apple. I will link those older videos in this, probably in the description, maybe in the comments for you to check out if you want to follow along from the very beginning. But now you know how to set up Tesla if you're looking for it. I chose 90 Delta and I'm selling the call. I bought the 90 Delta and I'm selling around the 23.25 Delta. 9 days to expiration. But yeah, kind of stressful day with everything tanking. Everything's going down. It's all red. Pretty sad, but what can you do? Thanks for watching and tune into the next one.